Garbage disposals are an incredibly useful kitchen appliance that can make food preparation and cleanup a breeze. However, over time, they can start to develop unpleasant odors and clogs that can make them less effective. Fortunately, there is a simple and effective way to clean your garbage disposal using just baking soda and vinegar. In this video, we will explain how to do it. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. To clean your garbage disposal with baking soda and vinegar, you will need the following supplies: baking soda, vinegar, a rubber spatula or tongs, a scrub brush or an old toothbrush, boiling water. Before you begin cleaning your garbage disposal, make sure to turn off the power to the unit. You can do this by unplugging the unit or by turning off the circuit breaker that powers it. This is important to prevent any accidents while you are cleaning the unit. Start by pouring a half cup of baking soda down the drain of your garbage disposal. Make sure to spread it evenly across the entire surface of the drain. Next, pour a half cup of vinegar down the drain. This will create a chemical reaction that will help to break down any food particles, grease, or other debris that may be clogging the unit. After pouring the vinegar down the drain, let the mixture sit for a few minutes. You may notice that the mixture starts to fizz and bubble, which is perfectly normal. This reaction helps to break down any clogs or debris in the unit. Once the mixture has had a chance to sit for a few minutes, use a scrub brush or an old toothbrush to clean the inside of the garbage disposal. Use the brush to scrub away any debris or buildup that may be stuck to the sides of the unit. After you have finished scrubbing the garbage disposal, use a rubber spatula or tongs to remove any remaining debris. Then, carefully pour boiling water down the drain to flush out any remaining buildup or debris. This will help to ensure that your garbage disposal is clean and free of any clogs or odors. Finally, turn the power back on to your garbage disposal and test it to make sure that it is working properly. If you notice any lingering odors or clogs, repeat the process until the unit is clean and odor-free. Cleaning your garbage disposal with baking soda and vinegar is a simple and effective way to keep your unit clean and odor-free. By following these steps, you can ensure that your garbage disposal is always working at peak performance, making your kitchen cleanup a breeze. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks and life hacks. Good luck and see you in the next video.